Traveling salesman problem. Today we solve traveling salesman problem using dynamic programming. What do you mean by traveling salesman problem? Traveling salesman problem or TSP consists of salesman and set of cities. Here the salesman has to visit each city starting from home. Home is, if in the case of graph, I can take a vertex 1 and returning to the same city, that is 1. Okay, here the person wants to travel from home city to all the cities, then return to home city. But the traveling cost should be minimized. So here the problem solution is we need to find out the minimized total length of the trip and minimize the budget. Okay, if I take an example of graph, here there are 4 cities. This is his home city. He'll start travel from home city and he'll reach all the cities, and later finally he'll come back to home city. We'll take an example. If he visits same place, that means he is in home city and he travel there only, then traveling cost is 0. If I take in terms of circle or cyclic graph, a vertex 1 and this is a cyclic graph, and traveling cost for this graph is 0. Let us generalize the problem. Let us take a graph G of I comma S, where I is the starting vertex, or I can say starting city. S is the set of city other than I. So I can make a G of I comma S be the length of shortest path starting at vertex I and going through all the cities in S and terminating at ith city. If I take I as 1, then I can write the same function as G of starting city 1, comma, a set of cities V minus exclude starting city will be the length of optimal salesperson tour. Now, we'll generalize the function once again. So I'll write the formula. Minimum 2 less than or equal to k less than, and what is 2 here? I will be the starting city. We'll start from second city. So I to k, that is intermediate any city, plus g of k will be the city excluding 1, v minus 1 comma k. 1 is a starting city, k is intermediate city from starting city 1 and remaining cities. So again we'll generalize the same function. G of I comma S is equal to minimum of j belongs to S, where C of ij plus G of j, I to j travel, right? Now he is in jth city. Now here by this part we need to find out the minimum cost with the same general formula G of j comma and remaining city, set of city. So we'll use the same second formula to solve a traveling salesman problem. This is a graph and these are the cost adjacency matrix. For the exam you will get graph and cost adjacency matrix. Okay, let us start the tour. We'll start from first vertex G of 1 comma V is a set of vertex other than 1 is equal to minimum 2 less than or k less than n, C of 1 comma k plus G of k comma V minus 1 comma k. Right? This is first equation and this is second equation. Already we checked it. Now, C of, I'll clearly mention I comma 5. That is null city. If he is in same city 1 comma 1, right? then it is 0. Cyclic graph. He'll be roaming in same city. Now, if I is 1 to n, I'll take remaining vertices. G of 2, 5. That means 2 to initial vertex 5. It is given in the cost adjacency matrix. 3 to 5 is C of 3, 1. 4 to 5 is 4, 1. This is initial condition we need for solving any problem using dynamic programming. Right? To solve any problem using dynamic programming, we need two conditions. One is initial condition, another is general condition. Initial conditions are always initialized with some constant value. Next, we'll go for general condition. Here, G of 1, I'll take remaining vertices 2, 3, 4. Right? I'll substitute this value to this formula. Second, here it is. Minimum of C of I, K. Now, 1 to 2 plus G of 2, 3, 4. See, ith vertex to jth vertex. Next, we need to find out the minimum cost from jth vertex to remaining vertices. That is his next tour. So, here, now 1 to 3 plus G of, if I take J as 3, I need to find out 3 to 2, 3 to 4 minimum cost. C of 1 to 4, if he reaches with minimum cost, then I need to find out from 4 whether he can travel with minimum cost to 4 to 2 or 4 to 3. That we need to find out. So this is a formula we got for this solution. Next, we need to find out these values. Because I know C of 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 by cost adjacency matrix. I need to find out this G of function and this function values. First, we'll see first part. G of 2, 3, 4. Again, we'll substitute the same values to the second formula. Minimum of 2 to 3 travel. Now, G of 3, 4. Now, 2 to 4, right? G of from 4 to 3. So, minimum 2 to 3 is 9 plus G of from 2 to 3 is 9 and 3 to 4, the cost we don't know. Next, we'll find out. 2 to 4, we came to know by adjacency matrix 10 plus G of next 4 to 3. So, G of 3, 4, again I'll use same formula. C of go from 3 and reach 4 and from 4 to initial vertex 5. 12 plus, what is G 4, 5? G 4, 5 is 8. Right? So, 12 plus 8 is 20. Next, we'll find out G of 4 to 3. 4 to 3 cost we know 9 and 3 to starting vertex 6, 15. Here, I got minimum for this one, 15, right? Next, we'll substitute these two function values to this function. Minimum 9 plus 20, 10 plus 15. So, it is 29 and 25. Which one is the minimum cost? 25. Right? So, from the starting vertex, he'll start from vertex 1 to 2 and from there he'll go to 2 to 4 or 2 to 3. Next, we'll find out next function value. That is, we need to find out G of 2, 4. So, again substitute these same values, right? So, here we'll get G of 3, 2, 4 as 25. Next, I need another value, that is g of 4 comma 2 comma 3. That is, by using same substitution, I get the value as 23. So what I got, the first function value I got, it is 25, and next function value it is 3 to 2 comma 4, minimum is 25, and next I got, it is 4 comma 2 is 23, right? So I'll substitute this value to the main equation, thus, right? When I substitute this value to main equation, I got minimum value 35. So g of 1 comma starting vertex 1, then move to vertex 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So he'll visit all the vertices with minimum cost 35. This is the cost of optimal tour. Next, we need to find out optimal path. See, first I'll start from first vertex. Again, by default, I'll take second vertex, c of 1 comma 2, plus from 2 he can go to 3 or 4, that we don't know, right? So whether 2 to 3 gives us minimum cost or 2 to 4, that we'll get from here. See, g of 2 comma 3 to 4, here minimum set is 10 plus 15 we got, that is 25. So from where we got 25, it is from 2 to 4. He'll get minimum cost by traveling from 2 to vertex 4 and then 4 to 3, right? So same will substitute here. So g of 2 comma 3 4, I'll take only minimum value, minimum cost tour. C of 2 to 4 we gives us minimum cost plus g of 4 comma 3. Next, 4 to 3 is final because all the vertices are already visited. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3. Next, 3, from 3 he should go to his initial vertex or home city, right? So what is g of 3 5 3 to 1? So my optimal tour for given traveling salesman problem is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3 and 3 to 1. What is the value? 1 to 2, it is 10, 2 to 4, it is 10 and 4 to 3, it is 9 and 3 to 1, 6 will get 35.